We here, so we about to go on here and check out the Solon Cruise In. This is a good one. I love this show. Let's check it out, y'all. Gonna see what we got. All the cars is out, the old ones and the new ones, and the exotics and the foreigns. There go a clean one right here. That's nice. A lot of old cars out here. Pontiacs, Toyotas, Corvettes. This is a nice one with the tan in there. The red one with the black and gray in there. These nice. Yeah. This red one is sweet. Even got red tinted on the headlights. That's dope. Camaro SS. I always love these. The older ones and the new ones. Another Corvette. I painted one of these before. That's a fun car to paint. That paint is flat on there too. They wetted it. Miata. Then you got the 65 Shelby Cobra. Another vet, Charger, Mustangs. They got a convertible Challenger. That's always sweet to see. 392 Hemi. Yikes. That's dope. That's a pretty nice one right there. Ooh-wee. This is an expensive car right here. It's a wide body too. It's black. The paint is wow. Magnificent. Look, he's pulling this one out here. Another vet. Yeah. This is expensive. Bumblebee convertible Challenger. This one is wow. This one is just one to admire right here. Whew. As well as this, you know about that. If you know, you know. But this paint is, oh my God. It looked like they painted it with like some boat paint. That's how smooth and flat it is. It's a 57 Bel Air. I like 57. I'm a 57 guy. Some people like the other years, but me, I'm a 57. If I'm gonna go Bel Air. They did a carbon fiber.
So got some time.
And candy.
Come on up, get your 50-50 raffle tickets. You go home with a pocket full of money tonight.
That is something to see. Oh, that is beautiful. And of course, the interior is, ooh man, this is a really nice car. I don't think people really realize how nice this is. I had to zoom in for y'all so you can see. That's beautiful. And of course, the favorite, the 64, man. You got the red with the red guts. Oh man, take it to. I love to ride this through the southwest streets of Texas and Arizona and Phoenix, out there in Vegas, and of course you gotta hit California. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, buddy. another one. This one, Impala. This like a 60. This like a 68 convertible. That paint is clean, boy. A lot of these dudes got really good paint job. Oh, this is 66. Excuse me, y'all. It's a 66. Yeah. This is immaculate. Definitely look good. The chrome, all the trim is polished. Got some US mag wheels. Yikes. That's beautiful. Not a dent, not a ding. Everything touched. It's fully restored. This is definitely fully restored. It's nice. We got the more of them over here. 57. And another black one and a silver one. And, whew, that's nice. That black and gold one is sweet. And this red one, this one is sweet too. It's also 57. Got GTO right here. Man, it's high dollar cars. These definitely high dollar cars. That is, whew, that's a Mustang 66. I see some of the guys that getting ready to roll out. This is a Chrysler right here. This one is pretty sweet. It's an old 300, a convertible 300. I love these Mustangs. This right here, you can go to the Bay and you will be the man with one of these. For sure. That is for sure. This thing is lit. It's definitely, somebody did a lot of work to it. I see every piece of trim, even in the inside. The interior is clean. It looked like they redid it. The chrome is immaculate. That's nice. Very nice. 66 Mustang. Look and check this Cutlass out. That's pretty clean. 442. Got GTOs over there. Got a gold one and a black one. More Mustangs, convertible Mustang. The Mustang GT. Mustang GT. And another one. These are always good to see too. A lot of people don't see these a lot. This one got black leather. Ooh. Wow. You know what this car is, jump in the comments. Man. It's nice to see something different like that. You got a power hold in there too. Haven't seen one of those in a long time. The Bugs. Yeah, Volkswagen VW, can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah. Good old GM Oldsmobiles.
All right, everybody, it's that time of night. Last call on that 50-50. Last call on the 50-50. I'd like to have all the Rock and Roll Capital Street Machine members to please come up to the main tent.
That's red.
All the club members, please come up to the main tent. We want everybody up here, as well as all the Camp Quality folks, right here in front of the fire truck. Also, if you're getting an award tonight, if you have raffle tickets, start working your way up. We're going to be starting
I'll
to
put
do
one
the
of these on
awards
some BBS
and give away the
rims.
50-50.
20s,
Right
or
now,
ooh, I did
last call on
22s
50-50.
and shake
Club
the game
members,
up.
Please, all report by.
Look, yeah, got the all brush wheels. It's a C8. Not sure what year, but definitely beautiful.
We are going to be making a presentation to Camp Quality. So if everybody who has been coming all the way to here, they can come on up here to help us make this presentation to Camp Quality. We've got a special piece here tonight that we want to present to Camp Quality.
That's
So
nice.
if everybody could please come on up front. We want to make this as special as we can. So please come on up front.
The red one.
Help us present this trophy.
The
Prize to Camp Quality.
Corvette red. I painted this color before. This beautiful red. Ooh, you got the tan in there. Ooh. Baller. Oh man, this is a nice car. I'm starting to be more of a fan of all colors now that I paint, but I used to be like more of a black and blue type of person, and white. That was like my top 3 colors, but now I'm starting to love whites, reds, greens, all of it. Nice. It's another one. I think I've seen this at the Autorama. This is pretty sweet. Whoa. Look at that interior. Wow. A lot of money. Definitely a lot of money. Mag wheels on there. This is a Ford Cabriolet 1939 Ford Cabriolet. Imagine dudes is hustling and going to work and taking care of their families, and to get one of these in the 1930s. Man, imagine the body work process to fix one of these. Yikes. Whew, that metal was way stronger back then. I would hate to crash one of these, man. Jeez. Jeez. Paint is wet on here. And it looks like somebody painted it Brandywine too.
You share and you get funding through other organizations. It doesn't really to other foundations and things like that. So we're so grateful because we did that as well. But sharing the story for the kids is just as important. Creating awareness because this work will be anything that we can do to make their
I love looking at this. This makes it go harder when I see them wet like this. And the paint not even new. It's wet. That's wet.
You know, we're just going to get together and look at some amazing parks and be with our family and have a campfire. Yeah, make s'mores. But thank you from the bottom
This
of our
Jag
hearts.
is wet too. And it's hard.
Thank you. Let's give a round of applause to Don and Robbie. Tonight is their appreciation night, and again, without them, this really would be impossible for the grand prize. Don and Robbie, thank you very much.
That's hard. That is sweet.
Can we beat that, right? Yeah.
Draw that thing, boy. That thing ain't that long.
Don sits pick.
It's a Chrysler Imperial.
67 Pontiac Tempest convertible, red.
Dude in the Corvette, he about to pull off.
I'm trying.
I mean, this yellow Viper is sweet. I remember these being big when I was in elementary school in the 90s.
66 Ford Fairlane.
That yellow was that yellow was pretty good. Nice color. V10. Jeez.
Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Don. Once again. Car Parts Warehouse picks Larry Booth. 66 Fairlane GTA.
Oh, here's some more.
Oh,
Thank you, sir. Here's your cover.
I ain't never seen nothing
Next
like
up.
that.
That must look like something out of a new car.
Yeah, that's
Look at the
hard.
gear shifter. That's the gear shifter over there.
Cody.
Oh,
Push
wow.
back in the day.
$25 billion.
69 Camaro. Red.
Man.
Michael's Racing Engines pick.
That's the Mr. Goddamn it numbers. Right. 25 billion. 25 million.
That brand new? I
White
figured.
Corvette.
I thought
The two
Okay,
Chevelles.
Captain
Let's
Grill.
check out this
Grill.
Corvette first.
I heard that. Bonnie.
That's ooh, that
Bonnie.
white with the black guts. That's dope.
What has he got? 70 GTO, right?
There's a lot of money around here. These boys in Ohio, they don't play around about their cars.
Thank you. Thanks for bringing up your cover, sir. Chris, are you here? Come on up, Chris. Vintage Motor Cars, Lee Hendricks. What did you bring, Lee? 57 Chevy Bel Air.
That's nice.
We're going to let Chris talk.
Got the Chevelles up here.
Well, I'll keep it brief. Chris with Vintage Motor Cars. Right here in Solon, we sell and consign cars, classic cars, collector cars. Tonight we brought a
The wheels are
1915
sweet.
Lozier over
The
there.
wheels look
But
sweet
we
on
can do
here.
everything. So come check us out. Thank you very much. Okay. Every third Wednesday of the month, we have an event called the Car Collective. It's open to all car enthusiasts, all clubs. We have different speakers. So this is coming in September. Our speaker is talking about the history of Oldsmobile. We'll have an authentic 1906.
396.
You can see that car, see it running. The month after that, October, we've got a local guy named Doug Cannon. He is the record holder for the Cannonball Run. So he's going to be coming out talking about that running. Yeah, Cannonball Run. So that's every third Wednesday of the month. And
Last time I seen one of these, that's when that dude had the 32 floats on that road back in the day.
Chris did a series last Wednesday on Mustangs. It was quite informative. Wally Jablonski, 65 Hornet.
Another Mustang. Look pretty good. Got an old convertible 65 Chevelle. This blue one is this is my type of style right here. This is nice. This blue one that's sweet. paint is good too on there. Factory match chrome.
Thanks for bringing it up tonight. Okay, now we got our top 2 picks. Bob Baker, 74 Maverick. How you doing? This is his first time here. What do you look at, huh?
That's about it. Gonna sign out, y'all. Signing out. Check this out. The Platinum Series Ford Power Stroke 6.7 Power Stroke. Yikes. 2 of them. Ooh, man. That's a lot of money. Big boy stuff. 3 of them. A lot of money. I like that one in the middle, but I love the way the one in the front. The one in the front, his lift is the highest. But I like the one in the middle as far as the body style.
Now watch me rip this track to pieces. Crazy color train, don't you see the pieces? So icy boys ball right down.